Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this bamboo/wood rack and some glass spice jars. They have bamboo lids and they're airtight. So I live in a humid climate area, and I noticed that my spices or our spices are starting to clump up because of the humidity. So I started looking for some alternative to the plastic jars that you usually buy in the stores. So I came across this glass jars that are really nice. They're very aesthetic, and they have bamboo lids that would match the rack as well. So I was surprised on how much it came with. So it came with like a little funnel. It came with some stickers, a lot of labels, 100 plus spice. So I will be showing you here how many jars are going to fit in the rack. Approximately 8 jars could fit in each of those racks. So at the end of this video, I will be showing you how the jars would look like after I have attached the labels. So it came with around 150 spices and herbs. Names, some of them very unusual, so I won't be using most of those. But they also came with some blank ones, so you can like personalize your spices and herbs. I had to use that for like a Creole seasoning and cinnamon, which is unusual. Cinnamon is pretty common, but it did not came with a cinnamon. So there is a label for the round cover, the wooden round cover, so you can label that on top. And then there is also a label for the body of the jar, which is like a vertical rectangle shape. So I will be showing you that here shortly. So it came with these extra top covers. There, it's actually 180, not 150, so that's a lot. So it came with a black and a white version. I'll be using the black because it's nicer. It looks a nice contrast to the jar. So I'll be using the dark tone instead of the white. And that would be our video for today. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.